let's go back to our register view controller. And here, what I want to do, instead of just having a callback here, we need to check if there was an error or no. So we say if error is equals to nil, what we want to do is to present the user with error. Actually, if it's nil, there was no error, and else there is an error. So we say progress AGT show error, and then I'm passing an error here, and the error is actually error. We can force unwrap this and say localized description. And the reason again I'm force unwrapping it is before that we're checking if it's not equals to nil. And if there was no error, we want to notify the user that the verification email was sent and he needs to check his email address. So again, we say progress AGT show, and I'm going to show just success here with some text, and we say verification email sent. All right. And another thing is good to do, because sometimes when these things are happening on a background thread, the user will have to wait, and there is nothing going on the screen that to tell the user that, you know, we are processing your request or there is something going on. So what we can do is, once our register user function is called, we can say progress AGT dot, just we say show, and what this is going to do is to show a loading spinning indicator. And once it's done and our callback function is called, here we can say progress AGT, and we just say dismiss. So this will dismiss this loading thing there. All right, let's just quickly test this. By the way, I have checked my email. I have received the verification email, but I haven't actually verified it, because we're going to delete this user again. Since we are doing currently a test, there is no need to verify the current email. Once we start going further with the course, we will verify this email so we can log in. So let's just put some dummy thing here, iOS-school@gmail.com. Date of birth we don't need, password, and we say password. Click register. You see the spin, and then this auth email verification, it just jumped on us very quickly, and you can see I have received this no reply email as well. So this is okay and it's working fine. Just one more thing we need to do here. This before we call register user, I want to say if password text field dot text force unwrap this is equals to I will call it confirm password. Yes. Let me see where we are. Confirm password text field dot text. Then we can call the register function. Else we can say progress AGT show error, and we just say passwords don't match. Okay, this is another thing we had to do in order to proceed. So we are just checking if the two password fields are equal.